Welcome back to Hendrickson Ridge. We're in the shed here. It's a rainy Sunday, but got a new piece of equipment. I'm going to be putting that together and adding that to my wood shop arsenal. So stick around. I got to bring it in here. I'll get it all set up. I'm not going to bore you with that crap. No, I'll show you what we got, and it's a learning process for me, but it's going to be fun. And stick with me. We'll check it out. Thanks. All right. There we go. Make sure nothing's gonna break here. Where these straps are, make sure they're good. Got there. Everything's good there. All right. Lift her up a hair. Oop, up. Other up. All right. Keep her there for a second. This freaking plastic off her. Not sure what these are yet, but I got this thing put together, bolted down on the stand. I don't have, everything off like the paper, but it slides pretty nice. So let's see if it even works. I don't have the centerpiece on yet, but we got her on low speed. Belt's good, forward. All right, low, low. All right, let's see. There we go. So yeah, this is a power lathe. It's 1 horsepower. I know nothing about turning wood, but wanted to get into it, and this was recommended by a few people, so pretty cool. I got a stand for it, and I'm gonna put a little face shield on and just see how things work here. So, put my eye out, hold on. Thanks. Try this again. I think I got rid of the squeaking. The belt was too close to the inner wheel, I think. So, that'll do it. Try this sucker again. Alright, well I guess I gotta go to dinner, playtime's over, but give me a nice close look. And hey, not too bad actually. Let me take you off of here. And give you a nice close look. Alright. Pretty cool. Not too bad, right? For like, let me go around a little bit. I'm getting there. Pretty neat. I'll take it. So yeah, guys, all in all, I really like this machine. It's going to be a great asset to my woodworking tools and stuff. So I'm going to make my next video is going to be actually just trying to make a round dowel like this, a bigger one, just for practice. So I'll put that on so you can see exactly how everything works. And appreciate you guys watching. Thanks a lot. And if you have any tips for me, I'm new on this, so let me know. Thanks.